Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are changing engine oil filter for 2015 Toyota plug-in hybrid Prius. So most of the Prius have the same engine oil filter. Here's the new filter. So first you unsnap this to right here, and then you gently tilt this like a little bit, and then push this out. And then you can see you have exposed to the old oil filter, all the engine air filter. So it's pretty easy. You just take it out, put them in a side, and the orientation is this way. So all you have to do, put this back, make sure it's snugly fit, and you can see it's new engine air filters already there. All you gotta do, line them up on the top side, gently push it down and snap back in. Here you go, voila, your engine oil filter is changed nicely and easily. And doing this, you save money, plus it's easy to do. And if you like our videos, give us thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.